Hey, what's up, gang? So it's been a minute, right? So I got a request on how I designed this flyer. I got a lot of reviews on this particular flyer you're seeing on my screen right here. So I want to design this flyer afresh from scratch. So you see how to go about it, okay? So first of all, I'll go ahead and create new file, control N command on Mac. So I'm using 4 by 5 inches. Okay, my resolution is 1000 and I'm going to click on create. Okay, so first of all, right, I have an image there. So I'm going to go ahead and import that image. I downloaded that image from FreePic, right? Yeah, from FreePic, I think so. So I'm going to go ahead and drag it over my artboard. Okay, so here's my artboard and my image, and I'm going to go ahead, right click on this image and rasterize it. Then I'm going to go ahead and select subjects. All right, select subjects. So I'm going to give it time to select. So I'll go ahead and click my quick selection to sorry, I'll select my quick selection to. All right, I'll reduce my radius by pressing that command, that what's it called, bracket like key. So I'm going to hold down my alternate to deselect. Sorry, command Z. I'm going to hold down my shift, okay, to add selection. Okay, so Photoshop did not select it the way I want, so this is me selecting it manually. All right, so just click here, click, drag on the area I want to select, right? So I'm going to right click and select inverse. So that will select the inverse of the image. So I'll click on delete. Nice. I'll deselect by pressing command D. Then I'll press Ctrl T or command T. So I'll just reduce this guy like so a little bit, then bring it down. All right, bring it down like this. Great. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of contrast and hue to this image. So I'm going to go out to my filter, click on camera raw, yeah, camera raw filter. Then I'll go ahead and just make a little edit to it. I'll increase the contrast, all right, and I'll increase my saturation like so, my vibrance, clarity, all right, and a little bit of texture like this. All right, so I think I'm cool with this. Then I'll go ahead and select, click OK. Okay, wait for it. Nice. So here's what we have right now. So if you look closely to the previous flyer, the particular flyer, sorry, you can see this gradient like um looking background. Okay, so you don't have to download background all the time you are doing your design. You can actually create your design from scratch, your background from scratch, sorry. So I'm going to go over to my design, and how do I achieve that? I'll create a new layer, right? But now I'll drag it, bring it under this image. Okay, nice. Then I'll select my gradient tool like this, right? I'll click here, this box I'm seeing right here. Okay, click to edit the gradient. I'll click on it. Okay, you can see the colors right here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. So click on this. Once you click on this small rectangle here, small square here, right, this color setup, you come over to color, right, and select the color you want to use. So I want to use a shade of blue like this. All right, like this. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to come here, this color box, I'm going to select white. All right, great. Then I will come over here and add another color box. All right, I'll just come here, click that. So, and it's going to be white. All right, it's going to be white. Okay, then I think I like it like this. All right, great. So click OK. So right now, watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag over this page like this. Drag, left click and hold, and drag from top to bottom. All right, like this, and watch what's going to happen there. Great. You see how it's looking, right? Nice, 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 nice. So I'm going to go over and bring my logo here. So just drag it over here, drag it over here. Right, so this step is actually fast, so it's kind of slow because I'm actually explaining. That is why it's kind of slow. Okay, but by the time you go over to your design software, to Photoshop, to design this, it's going to be very, very fast. All right, so I have my logo here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just shrink it. Okay, I'm going to shrink it to the size I want. All right, so I think I'm okay with this size. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and type the name of the company right here. So I'll quickly select my test 2, right? My test 2, and I'll start typing A, B, and B. All right, cleaning services limited. All right, yeah, that's it. So I'll quickly select all, Command A. Then I want to use Proximanova. That's the font I want to use, Proximanova, and I'm going to use this one right here. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and increase my font size. Okay, watch closely. When I increase the font size, you see how the text compress, right? So I'll come over to my text property right here. Okay, come over to your text property right here. You select this one, this leading, right? So I'll just quickly increase it. All right, increase the distance from each other. All right, see that? Nice. So I think I'm cool with that. Then I'll go ahead and select sample this color right here. Okay, but that's the color I want. All right, I think the font size is too big, so I'll go ahead and reduce it a little bit. Drag and hold here and slide. Okay, I think I'm cool with this, right? All right, so I'll quickly align it with this logo right here. Okay, great. So I'll go over and select my text again, come over here. Oh yeah, rest. So I'm going to put an exclamation mark there. Oh yeah, rest. You safe. Don't try. Okay, now this exclamation mark I added is not sitting well with the font, right? So I'm going to select it and change the font. So I'll quickly use Poppins here. Poppins bold. All right, so I'll select all and reduce this a little bit so it will compress. All right, nice. All right, yeah, rest, you save and try. Then I think the next thing here is let us handle the cleaning. As you can see, it's very, very easy, very, very clean and simple design, right? Let us handle your cleaning. All right, and I'll go ahead and select. Okay, come over here, come here. All right, Proximanova. I'll go over to my text, my font, Proximanova. All right, and I'll reduce. Okay, it's okay. I'm gonna make it black. All right, black. Then What next? We are done, guys. We are done. I told you it's very fast, but the fact that I'm explaining is making it kind of slow. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to make sure that everything is going to align with this logo and this text. So I'll go over and drag my ruler to over here to make sure it's aligning right. How do you access your ruler? To go over to view, I think so, yeah, to view, then just click on this ruler to your ruler will appear. Okay, so what do I need to do? I'll drag this this picture inside again. All right, like so. I think let me drag it inside again like this. Okay, nice. Then I'll drag this one over to align with this ruler. Okay, align with this ruler. Remember, when you are making your design, always give padding, give spacing, right? A little pixel from the edge in case the design is going to be printed. All right, so when trimming in the trimming machine, they will not cut out your details. All right, so what next? I'll select my rectangle tool right there, and make I'll make a rectangle shape right here. Then I'll come over to this point right here. Okay, I'll come over to this one right here. I'll just click on it and reduce my radius. All right, reduce my radius, and the color is gonna be, double click here, the color is gonna be white. Yeah, white. All right, white. Then I'll come to my property and reduce my border, my stroke. Click on this one, reduce my stroke. Okay, then what next? What's the next? Okay, I think, yeah, bookings, right? But then this is too big, so I'll just quickly Control T, Command T. All right, I'll hold on my Shift key and drag it all the way up like so. All right, then I'll go ahead and add something here. I think, yeah, for bookings, right? For bookings. Okay, and my font's gonna be popping. So I'll use bold, and I'll reduce the font size here. Just drag over here. Then I'll come over and fit it inside this. Okay, fit it inside this. Then I'll just go ahead and reduce this shape, the size. Command T, hold on my Shift. All right, I'll just shrink it in a little bit. Shrink it in a little bit. All right, great. So the number there is 081 4835635. So here's my direct number actually. Okay, so this is my direct number in case you want to reach me on WhatsApp only. For personal tutorial, for personal classes, you can reach me via this number. Okay, so I'll quickly select sample black. Okay, 081 4835635. So this is the number. All right, so I'll quickly align that number to just aligning here. All right, like this. Then I'll quickly go ahead and add the IG handle. IG handle is ABNB cleaning services, and the FB, the Facebook handle, same thing too. ABNB cleaning services, right? Services G there. All right, so I'll just select this and reduce this again, so like to go close to each other. All right, nice. So guys, we are done. We're done. So I'll just come over here, drop my 2. I'll drop my 2 and align this one to my ruler here. Okay, I'll align it to my ruler here. Then I'll just take it up a little bit. Okay, take it up like this. Then let me see what I can do here. Okay, this can come here. Okay, now I'm changing the design from what we have originally. So I'm selecting this. So I'm taking it over to align with this. Alright, so let me zoom out. Okay, you see our design is ready, guys. Very simple. You don't need to download background, just make your design easy. And don't forget, as a graphic designer, right, always give your design breathing space. All right, see your design as a human that wants to breathe. All right, give it a lot of breathing space. Don't sacrifice space. Don't sacrifice don't use too much aesthetics, right, to fill in the space. Give your design space to breathe. So for this booking, right, I noticed something here. I want to make the color thicker so that it should be pronounced. All right, let me just quickly select a darker shade. Nice. All right, darker shade of that. So let me quickly remove my ruler 2, drag here and drop my ruler 2. Okay, so you can see the design is ready to fly. Okay, ready to fly, guys. So see, our design is ready. You can design this in less than 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, trust me. See you next video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, or you can reach me via my direct number on WhatsApp only for personal tutorial, for personal classes.